Hello guys, the community spoke and today I'm gonna make a video about how to optimize at the 100% UPC to play World of Football, or on this case any game will run well if you apply those steps that I'm gonna tell you. Okay, so first of all I want to all of you to install, if you are using Windows 11, Atlas OS. Okay, let me check. Okay, there are a lot of tutorials, so I'm not gonna do a tutorial here, okay, but I'm gonna explain. You have to download this. You have to download this and this one, okay? Then you open this and you open on this program this file, okay? And then you click next, next, next. Your PC gonna restart it, okay? And you will have a, a Windows version that has a lot of less background apps that probably will help you. That's the base, okay? That's the first step. If you don't want to do this step, I mean, you are not really smart, because you can enable, this is a safe mode. You can enable firewall of Windows, you can enable Windows Defender. On my installation, I don't have anything of them. I prefer to be hacked by Alphiletti, so I don't care. Okay, important. What happened when you install this program? You have a lot of tweaks, okay? You have a lot of interface tweaks. You have a lot. You can disable animations, okay, only with CMD, and you have a lot of stuff. For example, I'm gonna share with you one really interesting. You have only a CMD to enable timer resolution by default. That's really broken, I think, because you don't have to enable the app. For example, I'm gonna open timer resolution, and it's already on the minimum. I don't have to click on there, you know. So I really recommend you this shit, okay? Okay, that's the main step that you have to do to improve your performance on WoW. I'm gonna share the another ones, okay? Time to go to Disco Local C, Steam, Steam Apps, Common, World of Football, and we go to binaries folder with 64, and then we find the exec of World of Football. We go to properties, and on compatibility, disable full screen optimizations. Now we don't click on this. We don't click on this stuff, because this shit is already optimized. You know, a lot of, I don't know if you watched any tutorial in the past, but a lot of people use it to enable that shit. Now on Windows 11, you don't need, okay? But you have to go here and invalidate. I mean, you have this on English, so it will be hard for you. Then you go to PP configuration, invalidate, and you click on application and apply. Okay, that's another step. I have a lot more steps, so don't worry. App data, we open the folder, we go to local, World of Football, save it, config, wine Windows, game user settings. Okay, important. Here you can change the resolution of WoW. For example, here, okay? If you want a really specific resolution, you have to go to your graphics card panel and put the customized resolution. But on this case, I'm gonna explain you. I play on normal resolution, native. I recommend you a 69 resolution, okay? I tried a lot of resolutions, but I think that this is the best resolution, native, okay? So, what we do here? You will see that here, global illuminity, it says 3, shading quality, it says 3, landing quality, it says 3. What do we put here? 0, 0, and 0. Then we click here and we reopen it to see that this changes to 0. And then what we do? Right click, properties, only read. So we open the game again. We open the game. I really recommend you to, I mean, the most important step here is to install Atlas OS. It's really important. I really recommend you. It will take like 10 minutes to install or less. And it's a really broken shit, bro. So time to make a room. And you will see that the game will look a bit more crappy, you know? Yeah, crappy is the word. Mm, bro, I'm not recording. Ah, yes, I'm recording. Oh my god. I got scared because I thought that I wasn't recording this shit. Okay, now we will see that we have a lot of FPS, as you can see. I have 500 and I'm recording the screen at 60 FPS. That's really important. I recommend you, if you don't have a really good PC, you need to at least reach the hertz of your monitor, okay? If you have 144, you will need at least 200 FPS. For people that is limiting the FPS, for example, imagine that I go there and I limit my FPS to 240. I don't really recommend this, okay? If you want to limit the FPS, I'm gonna share what you have to do, okay? You go here, you put unlimited, and then you go to your graphics card panel, okay? I'm gonna share with you an example. For if you have some stuttering, okay? That's that. If you have a bit of lag, that's why I'm sharing with you this, okay? You go to your graphics card panel. You have to do there, okay? If you have AMD or Nvidia, you have to find uh, um, you have to find this like FPS limitator, okay? Then you click here and you put the FPS that you want. I'm gonna put, for example, if you have a 144 monitor and you can reach like 200 FPS, I will put the at 30% more, for example, okay? I'm gonna put, for example, 200, 200, and 200. Well, in my case, I'm gonna put 300 because I have 240, you know? So 300 is the maximum. So now, I just close this, I go to the game, and you will see that my FPS says 300. I don't know, look, what? it didn't work or what? It didn't work. It worked, look now, okay? 300, stuck. This is very important, okay? So you have to limit like this. It's not working. It's not working because my mouse is leaving the screen. I don't know why. Now, okay? Do you see, right? If you want to avoid this kind of problem, you go here and you put the game on full screen like this. I don't really recommend to play on full screen. I mean, I played a lot of configurations and I don't think that that's really a really good configuration, okay? So guys, important, thank you for coming to see the tutorial. If you have any question, you can ask me. And bye bye guys, see you.